What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stocko YouTube channel. I have some very exciting news for you today. You are going to enjoy this video. We're going to be going over the Paysafe stock. And when I tell you, you're getting very close to a superior uptrend coming. I'm talking a freight train. We are getting close. We got some big buyers coming in on Paysafe. And I'm going to be going over a lot of different things happening with this stock and why this stock could have a huge jump happening very soon. So don't give up yet. You know, if you've been holding this stock, and if you do, if you've been watching the stock, now is a great time to get in. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be keeping you updated daily with all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out, and you don't want to miss it. All right, guys. So today, Paysafe had right around a 3.7% move today, okay? And this stock does not move very aggressively right now. The reason why this company is not moving very aggressively right now is because the volume is not enough to move the float, okay? The shares outstanding on this is a big one, okay? 723 million shares, okay? A lot of these companies you see flying overnight, you know, they have floats of like 100 million, 200 million, okay? This is a big float. The reason why they make the float so big is because they want to build superior long-term investors in this company, and they're putting out a lot of shares for some big whales to load up on, okay? I'm telling you, this is going to be the next Netflix, Nvidia. I mean, this is going to be a massive company down the road, okay? It's going to take some years to get that big, but I'm telling you, we got big moves coming, you know, this year alone, okay? Take a look. Billionaire David Tepper places bet on 3 strong buy stocks right now, okay? Multiple billionaires are loaded. I just did a video on the Daniel Lobo billionaire. I believe it's Lobo. I'm not too sure. Another billionaire that was just loading up on this company. So why are they continuously loading up on Paysafe right now, a Spac stock? The upside potential is ridiculous, okay? They're not even accounting in the investor presentation the potential iGaming revenue growth with this year to come, okay? The CEO did say, you know, they could see growth at 20% by the end of the year. And guys, that's, you know, 2 quarters away, 3 quarters, and this stock could have some amazing jumps coming, okay, in the next, you know, 6 to 9 months. But I'm telling you right now, there's a lot of upside that should already be priced into the stock. Tepper, in his 13F filing for Q1, revealed that his fund purchased 10 million shares of Paysafe, a huge investment in the new stock. At current valuation, this holding is worth $118 million, okay? So that's a lot of money to be gambling, you know. This isn't a meme stock, guys. I'm telling you, these guys are trying to make some big money in the long term, including 2021. Covering Paysafe, RBC 5-star analyst Daniel Perlin reminds investors that there are considerable gains in store for Paysafe in 2021, with an outperformed buy rating of a $19 price target implies 60% upside on the 1-year horizon right now, guys. So don't forget, this stock earnings were not that bad, okay? They still had increased growth, increased volume, but the thing is, it fell on the place of that market crash on like the mid-May, okay? Paysafe earnings were literally on that crazy day where we had a crash. Literally, the stock overnight, I was watching it before the earnings even came out, the stock was down 20%. It has nothing to do with Paysafe, and that's why I went all the way down to NAV. Literally a stock market sell-off before the earnings even came out. They just got very unlucky, and right now the stock has made its way up, you know, 20% from the $10 mark. You know, we're back into the 12.26 range. But guys, like I said, if you take a look at the volume right now, on top of the billionaires loading up, average volume is 6.6 million shares. Today we experienced a double in volume, 12 million, guys. If you take a look, a lot of the stocks I like to buy, I look at bar charts, and I like to be on the first page. You know, I want to be in with those stocks with those high volumes. As you can see right here, you know, of course, AMC is battling the shorts right now. That's why the volume's insane. I mean, if Paysafe had volume like that, this thing would just explode. So if we look at the bottom, you know, we got volume right here at around, you know, 8 million on the first page. You know, this is 100 stocks right here, 100 stocks. And if we just scroll up a little, We got some good companies on here. We got Airbnb, Skills, and I'm telling you, Paysafe is making its way up the chart. Fisker, potential upside. Li Auto, a great EV play in China. Where are we at? Where are we at? Paysafe. Look at that, guys. We are moving up. We just moved up from 6 million volume to 12 up to 13 million. The word is getting out quickly, guys. I'm telling you, once this company moves itself into that 30, 40, 50 million mark, this company is going to be a freight train to stop. Look at this. You go up, man, it's tough to get into that 20 million range. I'm telling you, you gotta be a big company gaining a lot of traction. And guys, we are heading in the right direction. The volume is up doubled. I'm telling you, all the big boys have pretty much loaded. There's the short interest on this. I think it's 10 to 15%. I'm telling you, they're gonna let it go soon when the volume starts to get out of control, guys. Doubled the volume right now. Potential upside with 6 analysts, $17 plus. But the 5-star analyst is putting us at 19. There's no telling what kind of movements this company could have. And if you look at what investors are doing, smaller investors invested in the Paysafe stock. I mean, just look, guys, just these recent couple of days, everybody, look at this. Increase, 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 increase. Open. Two guys closed their position. People are trying to make some money on this company. That iGaming revenue, with DraftKings, robolox, YouTube TV, Fortnite. This opportunity is not tapped yet. It's an untapped market, and I'm telling you, they're going to be the leaders, in the United States. This is a London-based company. It's taken a while for the word to get out, but guys, upside, we got crazy upside just to get to that $19-20 range right now. This is where we should be at if that market did not crash. Skill partners with Wix to support e-commerce business growth. Wix provides a world-class platform to over 200 million users worldwide, empowering anyone to build online presence. I mean, guys, this is a massive deal. Integration of Paysafe's Skrill payments gateway and Wix sites offers quick and easy way of businesses to accept online payments. This is just a couple of days ago. I mean, Investor Place just put a nice piece together on the Paysafe stock as well. And if we just go through it and look at some of the highlights. In an increasingly digitalized economy, Paysafe moved early and aggressively into the online payment space with eCash and the Paysafe card. There's no need for a credit card or even a bank account here. A Paysafe card enables customers to pay with cash for their online purchases by entering 16-digit code. According to Paysafe, Paysafe card is available at 650,000 points to sale in 50 plus countries. Given the company's first quarter 2021 fiscal data, it's evident that Paysafe's venture into eCash is paying off big time. During the quarter, Paysafe's eCash solution segment revenues increased by a whopping 63% on a year-over-year basis to 112 million unaudited. Guys, a 63% year-over-year increase, guys. There's no telling how big, the partnerships are going to be with DraftKings, Roblox. This company just paid off a massive amount of debt, through the Spac transaction. I'm telling you, the next three earnings reports are going to be stellar, guys. I'm telling you, they're going to be stellar. We're going to see some massive growth coming. The company, earnings report was on the market crash date. I don't know what the day the earnings was, but it was the day the market crashed, for the growth sector. So we're seeing a lot of good things. And we'll just read up on what the 5-star analyst Perlin said. Adds his views that Paysafe offers one of the best combinations of services in the online payment space. Paysafe has created a unique two-sided network, enabling merchants to accept online and in-store payments in specific niche verticals, while also offering consumers a digital wallet and eCash solution, which converts cash-heavy users to digital users. We believe it's a combination that enables Paysafe to generate superior take rate economics versus peers. And guys, in my other previous video, I went over Dan Loeb, another multi-billionaire, opening up positions. And take a look at this, guys. Third Point LLC, that's his holding, okay? They closed out 32 positions and opened up 5. And one of them was a massive position in Paysafe, as you can see right here. They opened up a position in Paysafe. It's just incredible, how many people do not know what's going on with this stock right now. They just see, the older 10-year of what this company was doing. This is an older company. I think it's 20 years old, but they are entering new, markets, and they are positioning themselves very quickly to take the iGaming market in the United States, just take over. And they got, their growth at 11% on the website, but they're not including that iGaming sector, which could boost this company. No telling how big of the growth we could see. And this company is doing, 1.5 billion in revenue. It's just that massive float right now, guys, is what I believe is holding this company down. And as you can see, that volume is up, guys. This volume is doubling now. Once we get to 20, 30 million, we're going to take off. Okay. I just wanted to show you guys, we got a partnership with Skrill. There's another article I didn't even look up. We're partnering with Golden Nugget Online Gaming. That stock's been beat down, more revenue coming in. DraftKings is just absolutely killing the game. 2 billionaires have loaded this stock. The volume is up, doubled right now from what it's been, the past 4 or 5 months. And there's no telling how high the volume could get very quickly. So, guys, we got price targets near the $20 range. Potential upside right now is nearly freaking 70%. And I'm telling you, this is going to go a lot higher towards the end of the year, with the multiple earnings coming out. It's just a hidden gem right now, a UK based company. I just think it just has not got the attraction yet. And it's just so many great things going. Investors that can see it, smaller investors who don't have a big word of mouth, everyone's increasing their positions. Analysts are giving it a upside 44% right now on the low side. I think it's near, the 5-star analyst of 1920 is, fair right now. So a lot of upside. It's just taking a little bit of time. It's a huge float. Like I said in the beginning of the video, 700 million shares. This is not one of those garbage penny stocks with 50 million shares that runs up 40% in a day and crashes the next month and doesn't have any price movement for a year. A lot of good things happening. I just wanted to bring this to your attention right now. Another billionaire is loading, more deals, more partnerships, and it's just an exciting time to be in the market, guys. You can't get shaken out. It could take months, and months to see crazy gains. A double, 100% movement in a solid company is not easy. It takes time, and a lot of people are getting shaken out by these shorts. And a lot of these billionaires were loading up in that 12, 13 plus range. They're still underwater right now on their price, averages. So just stay true to yourself, do more research, and guys, there's a lot of upside potential. Once again, if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say thank you so much. Be sure to read the link in the bio, read up on the Patreon. I'm putting people on these amazing companies, and we're going to stick, to what we know best, and that's undervalued companies with amazing growth, upside potential. So we have over 500 users, so be sure to read up on the link and see if the Patreon is a good fit for you. If you feel this information gave you any better insight on the stock, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily, and I hope you have a great day.